What's up guys, in today's video we've got a beautiful 2021 Cayenne GTS Coupe finished in beautiful crayon. The car's here for a full PPF wrap, ceramic coating as well as clear plex form. It's already been through our wash bay. We did a full paint decontamination. We did a one-stage paint enhancement. It's just done. Following step, it's going to our PPF bay to be applied. Okay guys, the PPF installation on this Cayenne is done. We're now busy applying our Geon ceramic PPF coating. This protects the PPF and the paint against UV rays, bird droppings and the elements. There you go, this Cayenne GTS came to our shop. We did a full paint decontamination. After that it went to our detailing bay. We did a single stage paint enhancement. After that we applied premium shield, self-healing, pre-cut PPF over the entire car. We finished that off with our Geon PPF ceramic coating. This car is now fully protected. It's been detailed on the inside. It's super clean, it's super glossy. The customer can now enjoy it.